Good morning, pupils. We have studied about the lesson number 1 and today we will start lesson number 2. Lesson number 2 is the relation among numbers. The relation among numbers. What are the relation among the numbers? For example, odd numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, even number 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. and many type relations between the numbers or among the numbers. Some relation we find that in the chapter first, factors and multiples. Factor and multiple also the relation between the numbers. What is the factors and what is the multiples? Mathematics, we know that 5 into 3 equal to 15. If we multiply by 3 to 5, then it becomes 15. Mathematically, this is the mathematics. We can read it into two ways. We can read it in two ways. First, the product of 5 and 3 is 15, or 15 is a multiples of 3 and 5. 15 is the multiples of 5 and 3 or 3 or 5. And product means multiple. Second way, on dividing 15 by 13. This is the multiple. 5 and 3 equal to 15. But the second way, on dividing 15 by 3. If we divide 15 by 3, if we divide 15 by 3, the quotient is 5. Or on dividing 15 by 5, if we dividing 15 by 5, then quotient is 3. The quotient is 3. In other words, 3 and 5 are the factor of 15. 3 and 5 are the factor of 15, and the "15" is a multiple of 3 and 5. What is the difference of both quotations? 15 is the multiples of 3 and 5. It means 15 comes in table 3 and table 5. But the factor, if we divide 15 by 3 and by 15, 5, this is the factor of 3 and 5 of the 15. We can divide by 1, we can divide by 3 of 15, we can divide by 5 of 15, and we can divide 15 by 15. These are all factors of the 15. Factors. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. This is the definition. Remember it. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12, as each of these divides 12 exactly. It means if we divide by 1, 12 is divided by 1, then quotient is 12, and then we divide by 2, then the result is 12, 2, 6 are 12, and divide by 3, and if we divide by 3, then 3 for the 12, and if we divide by 3, 4, then 3, 4 3 is 12, and if we divide by 6, the quotient is 2, and if we divide by 12, quotient is 1. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 12 are factors of the 12. Some important notes for the factor is: first, 1 is factor of every number. Remember it, 1 is factor of every number. If we write 3, we can write 1 into 3. If we write 2, we can write it 1 into 2. If we write 4, we can write it 1 into 2 into 2. So 1 is the factors of the every number. Second, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is factor of itself. It means 12 is also the factor of 12, and 15 is also factor of 15. 3 is also factor of 3. Third, every factor of number is less than or equal to the numbers. See the example. The factor of 12 are 1 is less than 12, 2 is less than 12, 3 is less than 12, 4 is less than 12, 6 is less than 12, and 12 is equal to 12. Not greater than 12. It means any numbers have no any factor greater than himself, itself. The fourth, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that numbers. Every factor is divisor of the exact number. If we take the 4 is factor of the 12, then we can divide 12 by 4 exactly. Fifth, every number has finite number of factors. Every number has finite of factors. For example, 12, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors. 10 has 1, 2, 5 and 10. 4 factors. 10 has 4 factors. But 2 has only 2 factors, 1 and 2. The B part, factors and multiples. What are the multiples? The multiples of a number are obtained by the multiplying it by 1, 2, 3. A number is multiple of each of its factor. It means, for example, if we multiply 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, we get 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18 and so on, which are all multiple of 3. If we find the multiples of 2, then 2 to the 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on are the multiples of the 2. And if we find the multiples of 5, then we take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. The next, okay, thank you.